Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can bass boost your audio. I'm not gonna be able to play the song, but to bass boost your audio you're just going to set your volume up to the highest setting. Then you're going to go to the voice changer section and you're going to add the megaphone one if you can find it. It should be like around here. Okay, here it is. Then you're going to want to copy and paste this 3 times, and that is pretty much it. I can't play the song for you, but I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!